This is one of the very first STEM Expo event that's we're organized between our hospital and the local high school system. The STEM program is something that the Navy already encouraged. We won at many of our local bases. They are involved in the local system. So back in 2019 was when this initiative started. I got involved around end of 2019, and I'm specifically interested in high school student mentorship. I love mentorship and definitely love to mentor teenagers. So this is our fourth event since the partnership started, and it's kind of our grand finale for the school year.
We have the Portsmouth Naval Medical Center, we have EVMS right across the water, and so we're trying to bring everything together to show these kids that they can do it, furthering their interests in the health field and letting them know everything that's out there. We have some phlebotomy stuff, we have a table for suturing, we have the table for anatomy and physiology, we have psychology, we have dentistry, man, you name it. And I think that's amazing, just the fact that we can introduce them to those things.
I'm hoping as they're going around the station, they're asking the staff questions, either on what the educational path is to get to this, if that's what they desire. I'm hoping we're able to continue to flourish their interest in science and medicine.
In order to get to that career path, a lot of these students don't even know that we have anatomy and physiology in classes like AP Biology and Honors Chemistry. And if you really want to do something in the medical field, in the health sciences field, you have to start right now in high school to try to introduce yourselves to those things and actually figure out if that's what you want to do.
I just would like to say thank you, first to the Portsmouth Public School for allowing us to be in this partnership with them, and at the same time, I'm just one of the many people that make this happen. Starting from our CEO, the base CEO, I have all the leadership in support of this program, and we're very grateful.